Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on TikTok app. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where it says your profile. You click on your profile and then you want to head to the top and click on the three straight lines. Then you want to head towards settings and privacy, the last option. Now you want to slowly scroll down to the display section over here. You want to click on display, and here you can manually set the switch between light and dark mode. You can also use the device manual settings. For example, if I go back to the light mode and then simply click on use device settings, I will get match of my original theme on my phone. I'm using an iPhone, and as you saw, I'm using a dark theme simply because the app TikTok match my device settings. This is very important and very useful, considering that if you are using a dark theme, you probably don't want to use the brighter theme or white theme or light theme on any of the other platforms, because switching from dark to bright, it's not good for your eyes, right? It might be irritating, it might be creating a particular like irritation. So I presume that this is something that will help you as well. It helped me a lot having all the theme, all the dark modes all aligned. So every time when I'm switching from Instagram to Facebook to TikTok to LinkedIn, everything is a dark mode, so it's much easier for the eye to simply adjust with the light and with the contrast. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.